Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. In this session, I am going to explain you the second order differential equation with variable coefficient. Let us see the example. Example 1 is solve x square d square minus xd plus 1 into y, which is equal to sine of log x, which is equal to sine of log x. So sine of log x. So this is the problem, sine of log x, sine into log x. You know very well, first answer is, the given problem is in variable coefficient, second order differential equation with variable coefficient. We have to change to transform to second order differential equation with the constant coefficient. So to transform, there are some conditions. So first we have to write the conditions by taking x is equal to e power z. Z is equal to log x. So x is equal to e power z, z is equal to log x. Next, xd, which is equal to theta, or d dash also you can take, but I am going to use theta. So x square d square, which is equal to theta into theta minus 1. This can be written as theta square minus theta. Okay, so this all I am taking, I am constructing. So that's why the given problem for x square d square, you have to write theta square minus theta, minus xd you have to write theta, plus 1 you have to write 1, sine log x, for log x you have to write z. So the given equation can be written as, x square d square, instead of x square d square, theta square minus theta minus xd theta plus 1 into y, which is equal to sine of log x. So sine z. So this can be written as the theta square minus 2 theta plus 1 into y, which is equal to sine z, Now you can write theta square minus 2 theta plus 1 into y is equal to sine z. So we have transformed variable coefficient, second order differential equation with variable coefficient to second order differential equation with the constant coefficient. Now you know very well how to solve this problem. So now you can solve this problem using auxiliary equation is. So auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m plus 1, which is equal to 0. So m minus 1 into m minus 1, which is equal to 0. So m is equal to 1 comma 1. So repeated roots. So repeated roots means complementary function is y is equal to, you know very well I think, complementary function is y is equal to, so two roots are equal. So that's why you can write as y is equal to az plus b into e power z. Why we are writing in terms of z? Because in the already we have taken the constructions as x is equal to e power z, z is equal to log x. That's why we are writing in terms of z. So y is equal to az plus b into e power z. So what is y? Y is as it is y. A, what is z? We have taken z is equal to log x plus b into e power z. What is e power z? That is x. So this is very important. This is original complementary function. Okay, so next you have to find the particular integral. So the particular integral is equal to 1 divided by theta square minus 2 theta plus 1 into sine z. So if right hand side is the sine z or cos z, instead of theta square you have to write minus coefficient of z is 1 whole square, which is equal to minus 1. Coefficient of z whole square is equal to, right, square. So minus of coefficient of z whole square, so minus 1. So instead of theta square you have to substitute minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 2 theta plus 1, right, minus 1 minus 2 theta plus 1 into sine z, which is equal to, still you can write, so which is equal to 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus 2 theta into sine z, minus 2 theta into sine z. So minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by theta of sine z. What is 1 by theta of sine z? Theta means you have to write theta is equal to, which is equal to, because theta is equal to d by dz. So what is here? Theta is equal to d by dz. So therefore, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Theta is d by dz. So 1 by theta, right, into sine z. Theta is d by dz. 1 by theta is integral dz. So integral of dz into the function sine z into dz. Okay, so therefore 1 by 2 theta of minus 1 by 2 into 1 by theta of sine z. 1 by theta means you have to integrate one time. So minus 1 by 2. If you are integrating sine z, you will get cos z. So minus cos z. Sine z, if you are integrating, you will get minus cos z. So minus cos z, which is equal to minus minus plus. So cos z divided by 2. So what is z is equal to log x. So which is equal to cos of z is equal to log x divided by 2. This is the particular integral. This is particular integral. So finally you have to write the general solution is the general solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So what is a complementary function? That is y is equal to a log x plus b into x plus particular integral is cos of log x divided by 2 or 1 by 2 cos of log x. Thank you.